The results are in, and my feelings are mostly good. Welcome back, Cloud Miners. Bitcoin Mining Master is an app that you can find on Android, Google Play, or Apple iOS. And as far as earning Bitcoin for watching ads, this is one of, if not the best option on the market. And we'll just get right into it. You can watch an ad that'll earn you 2 hours of mining power. You're able to stack 20 of these at a time for 40 hours total. And on top of these earning you sats, they actually earn you points at the same time. And the cool thing about this app is as you continue to use it, gain levels, you earn more and more. And you can see there's a pretty big differential between level 1 and the max. Even earning 2 sats per ad is pretty good. But once you're maxed, you're earning almost 6, which is way higher than pretty much anywhere else. And on top of the 1 point you get for each ad you watch, the main way you're going to get points is the daily check-in rewards. And you can see if you check in for 30 days, you'll gain 60 points. And with the daily logins alone, you should earn over 200 points a month. That's not even including the 1 point per ad that you watch. So these levels are definitely not impossible to get. And the main draw, especially for iOS users, is that these ad rewards are definitely some of the best on the market. Once you get above 2, you're looking real good. And you can get to level 5, level 6, and within 2-3 months you think. And at that point, you're earning about 3 1/3 sats per ad, which is better than anything except for the ZBD wallet, which only has a limit of 10 per day. But with some mostly good news does come some bad news. I finished my monthly $9.99 advanced plan, and unfortunately I earned just a little over $5 worth of Bitcoin, and that's with my big boost. I had 140% at level 8, and about 7 days in I hit the max, which is 200%. And even then I barely hit 50% return on investment, which just goes to show that these monthly investments, BitTycoon, Thundermine, those kind of things, CT Pool, just don't bother with the monthly options. They just generally don't seem to be worth it. And I could kind of see as I was watching, I was gaining about 275 sats a day. It didn't seem like it was going to be enough. And it's just not worth breaking down. Just stick with the free options. Next, let's go over withdrawals. So just like BitTycoon and Thundermine, this transfers BTC through the BEP20 BNB blockchain network. And they also have a Binance option, but Binance isn't available in the United States, so Trust Wallet it is. And as far as withdrawals go, in your wallet tab, you're going to click withdrawal. And I had about 17,000 sats. So in my amount, I put 0.000017883, has a fee of 28 sats, not too bad. In our Trust Wallet, we're going to click BNB Peg BTC token, click receive, copy our address, head back to Bitcoin Mining Master. Then we're going to paste our address, and then click withdrawal. Click confirm. And unlike other apps who use the same network, this came in within 24 hours. It usually takes 2 to 3 days with other apps. And it also has a much smaller fee, so it's win-win both ways. Next, I want to quickly go over referrals. If somebody uses your invite code, you'll receive 20% of the rewards. And with all of you guys' help, I've earned a little under 11,000 sats. This definitely helped me get these first videos out quicker. And I just want to thank you very, very much. I have 383 referrals. That's super cool. And I just want to say I'm greatly, greatly appreciative of you guys helping me make these videos. And quickly before I end the video, I want to address an issue that the app just had. And this just happened a day or two ago where people were getting an error saying they had a VPN network. And what ended up happening is, people have a lot of hours saved up from watching ads. And that was completely blanked. And unfortunately, there was nothing resolved with it. It was just, a day worth of ads. It was your time. But these hiccups have been few and far between. The app did come back quickly. So I think we're just going to have to take our losses. And, it's been more good than bad. And just hope it doesn't happen again. And as far as my tier list, I had it rated A. And going into this, knowing that the paid options weren't very good, I was kind of skeptical thinking about lowering it to B. But with the free options being so good, I really like the leveling system. It kind of gives you a little something to work towards. You can keep logging in and get a little more as you work with it. And I kind of like that. So for now, I'm keeping it A tier. And let me know if you agree in the comments. Do you think it should be lower, or do you think A is the right place? And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I try to answer every single comment as well as I can. And if you like this video, please click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use the referral code that you see on the screen. Definitely helps get these videos out quicker and is greatly appreciated. And just a heads up, my affiliate partner Tangem has a buy one get one 50% off promotion. If you use my link, you also save 10% off your first wallet. So if you're looking to get off of crypto exchanges and get into crypto cold storage, this is a great option. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.